El moment d'estar ahí amb tota la teva família i de veure, i sobretot quan vaig obrir la finestra i veure a tota la gent que estava des de ma casa, va ser un moment molt emotiu per a mi.
I always knew that you would take yourself far from home as soon as far as you could go.
Els amics són gent de categoria i espero el dia que es toque d'ells estar jo igual que ells estarien en mi.
For the past 8 weeks I can tell where you've been. All I knew, I could see, it was all cut and dried to me. There were soldiers, blue blood streaming inside your veins.
Anava vestit per provar per el casc antic de València i va estar superguai.
So now you are one of the brave few. It's awful sad we need boys like you. I hope the day never comes, for here's your life runs on. Stock and barrel, safety trigger, is your gun.
El vals, jo li deia a Jesús, podíem ensayar, però va, da igual, total, un ratet.
Stock and barrel, safety trigger, is your gun. So now does your heart pitter-pat with a patriotic sound when you see the stripes out, oh glory waving? Well, I knew, I could see, it was all cut and dried to me. There were soldiers, blue blood streaming inside your veins. There is a world outside of this room, and when you meet it, promise me you won't meet it with your gun taking me. What don't mean to argue, it made a decent boy of you. You